Talofa Pacifica against Koviki Sefulu Maleiva, or PAC-19, Pacifica against COVID-19. I pretty much said the same thing both times, except Koviki is Samoan for COVID, and Sefulu Maleiva means 19. 10 and the 9, or 19. A lot of us non-native Samoan speakers, the first thing that we're able to do is count in Samoan. Let's do a T style and then let's do a K style. Tasi, Lua, Tolu, Fa, Lima, Ono, Fitu, Valu, Iva, Sefulu, Kasi, Lua, Kolu, Fa, Lima, Ongo, Fiku, Valu, Iva, Sefulu. If you can do that, then you know 90% of how to count all numbers in Samoan. When you have a 2-digit number, we're talking in tens. You recognize a 10 spot and then the 1. For example, 11. Sefulu Maletasi. We recognize the 10 and then the 1. And by the way, remember that Sefulu means 10. Sefulu Maleiva, 10 and the 9, or 19. Now, if we have more than one Sefulu or more than one 10, as in 53, how many Sefulu is in a 10 spot? Lima. Kasi lua kolu fa lima. Lima Sefulu Maletolu, 53. And just a side note, a lot of times people omit the male, which literally translates to and the 3. All right, now if we have 3 numbers, we're dealing in the hundreds. Remember, ones, tens, hundreds. We recognize the 100 spot, the 10 spot, and then the 1 spot. 109. 100 is selau, selau maleiva. 100 and the 9. If we have 179, how many selau we got? We only got 1 selau, so selau. And then we have how many sefulu? We have 7 of them, so fitu and the 9. So selau fikusulu maleiva. If we have 319, it's more than 1 selau. So it's tolu. Tasilu is tolu. So we need to give it 3 selau. So kolu selau, sefulu maleiva. Then there's afe, miliona, and so forth. I know I didn't talk about Koviki Sefulu Maleiva, but that's what they do. PAC-19, they supply the Pacifica community with information, entertainment, and stories to support our families against COVID-19. Go check them out. And for worksheets on Samoan numbers, go to matosamoa.com.